start
I
then?
think we'll start. I think we'll start and then.
So we'll start.
Yeah. So this is the agenda. Yeah. Ravi, you can see the screen, right? You can see my screen.
Yeah, I can. Yeah. Now, friends, before I call the meeting to order, it is an established convention of Wise Men Club that the secretary has to place the presidential collar on the president. But now that we are on the virtual platform, I hereby record the virtual acceptance of the presidential collar placed by the secretary on me.
Yes, sir. You are welcome.
Thank you very much, Secretary Dr. LS. And having done this first ritual, let me now, in my capacity as the president, call the meeting to order. May I now request our Joint Secretary, Alvito, to share on the screen Wise Men Prayer and pledge to the nation so that all of us join in. Collectively, we say the prayer and we take the pledge to the nation.
Yeah. So can you see the prayer? I've shared the prayer. Can you see it?
Not yet. No.
No, we can't.
Okay, just a minute. Yeah.
I am having it before me, the prayer. I can repeat.
Yeah, just a minute. I'll share it on the screen.
Yeah. No, if we share all of us.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Yeah. Shall we go?
Yes.
Yes. Wise Men Prayer. Would all join me?
Yeah.
Lord,
Bless
all
wise men gathered here.
our
Our
fellowship
fellowship with thee held here.
grant that our meeting might be blessed
Be blessed.
with
Thee
thee,
are ever unseen.
Unseen guest.
bless
Bless wise men's
Club
club
Throughout
throughout
the
the
earth.
earth.
grant each of them
Them a new grave
to serve each other,
Serve each other, give them life,
give them life,
to save the world from further strife.
further.
save the world from further strife.
Amen.
Amen.
Now the pledge.
Do we have to stand or is it okay we do it sitting?
No, we can sit.
Okay.
Pledge to the nation.
Yeah, just a minute.
Virtual platform, such relaxations are allowed.
You got the soft copy to screen?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, he's sharing it.
Yeah. Can you see it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Wise
Pledge
men,
to the
please
nation.
join me. Yes. Pledge to the nation. Great and dear motherhood,
Great and dear
Great and dear motherland.
we salute you.
Salute you.
We salute you.
Pledge our loyalty
We pledge our loyalty
and promote our best efforts
and promise our best efforts
to bring you honor and glory.
to bring you honor and glory.
We acknowledge our duty to you
Acknowledge our duty to you
and pray that we be
and pray that we be
worthy citizens of the nation.
worthy citizens of the nation.
Jai Hind.
Hey,
Thank you very much.
thank you very much.
Okay. That's the next on the agenda, President.
Yes. Good evening to you all. It is with great pleasure that I welcome all the wise men of our charter club at this annual meeting. As we all are aware, Wise Men Club is basically a service club to the YMCA, and it follows the YMCA philosophy, which is essentially based on the teachings of Jesus Christ. Therefore, Wise Men Club and YMCA have always shared a symbiotic relationship, if I may put it so. In the context of this symbiotic relationship, I must acknowledge that the Bombay YMCA board, headed by our president, Mr. Noel Amanna, and the Bombay YMCA General Secretary, Mr. Paul George, took concerted efforts in facilitating the establishment of this charter club last year. Many of you were present at the function, and it was held with much fanfare. It will be reported in the display of the club's activity. Friends, the board continued to support the efforts of Wise Men Club, of our charter club, during the entire year, and in whatever we have done, a symbiotic relationship clearly came through. Incidentally, as the president, I am happy to note that the Bombay YMCA president, Noel Amanna, has already renewed his membership for the wise year 2020-2021, and is the first Wise Men member to do so.
That's good.
I really record my appreciation for this initiative. Friends, all of you know that our club is just 1 year old, and in that sense, it is a nascent club. During this 1 year of Wise Year, which starts from July and ends in June, July to June, nearly 4 months were consumed by the pandemic-driven restrictions, which challenges all have faced. Despite these challenges, our members rose to the occasion when we decided to take up the local project, COVID-19 project, in close association with Bombay YMCA, and contributions came from the members, and we were able to make a mark in that field in whatever modest ways we could do it. In that regard, I must say that the first donors were our secretary, Dr. L. Srinivasan, and Bobby Kundal. Others followed with their contribution. It followed suit. Similarly, our tech-savvy team, duo I must say, of Alvito and Vinny, ably supported by Leo, also went on a digital platform to gather funds. And collectively, we were able to come up with a decent budget, so much so that we could get a reciprocal financial contribution from Wise Men International. That was one of the greatest achievements of our charter club in its very first year on inception. Other projects will be seen on display, and therefore I would not want to dwell at length on them. Friends, at this stage, I can only say that we have, can you hear me?
Yeah. We are able to hear
Yes. Yes. We have a long way to go. We have certain ambitious projects which will be also shared at the end of the club activities and accounts. And this being a small family of only 18 members, my request as the president to each and every one of you is to ensure that this family grows manifold. Wise men philosophy, which is essentially based on YMCA philosophy, is appealing universally. The community service and the fellowships which are encouraged by Wise Men Club are unique in their own ways. We have manets, we have links, and in this direction, we must work to ensure that this year there is an involvement of our spouses and children also. Similarly, we have a long-term project of making Bombay into a district at the request made by the Bangalore district Wise Men and our sponsoring club, to which we will refer to later on. I must also acknowledge one of the fine additions made to the club through the good offices of our treasurer, Amarson Anthony, in the form of Harish Bhai Doshi. I hope he's attending the meeting. He is also a philanthropist at heart. My request is that we must get more members who are in tune with our philosophy and who are basically philanthropists at heart and who want to contribute to the society at large through the initiatives which we'll be taking not only in this year, Wise Year 2021, but all these years, further future years to come, because we have to grow in every possible direction. Having said so, friends, in the end, I can only say that our goals and objectives, apart from catering to the felt needs at the local level, what I call micro level, must also be aligned to the broad-based vision of Wise Men International. There has to be a synergy between the both. And towards that end, I'm happy to note that our members have been working towards achieving that goal. It may be slow and steady. The journey may be slow and steady. And as I've said, the pandemic-driven restrictions also came in the way. Nonetheless, despite all the challenges, we have been able to do our best. Ultimately, the goal and object is to do our best in whatever situation we find ourselves in. Having said so, I end my presidential welcome address and request or compare Biniti to take the floor, virtual platform, and call for the next item on the agenda. Thank you very much. May I now request our Joint Secretary, Alvito, to present the club activities and also the accounts for the Wise Year 1920.
Okay, thank you, Rui. Can you all see my new screen?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, we can see.
Okay, so I'll try to keep this as brief as possible, though it is an extended report. I hope you can hear me right through it.
Yes, it's
so
clear.
Yeah, so you can go through it and then.
Alvito, excuse me, can you just minimize it a little bit, like that fits into the screen, please?
Oh, it is. I can't minimize it any further.
No,
you can do it. Binny, I try to minimize from my screen. It's diminish. You do that.
You'll have to, pull it to your. Okay, is this better?
Yeah, now
this is
better.
Better. Yeah, great.
All right.
Yes.
Okay, so Okay, so this is the report for the Weizmann Club. Now this is since inception. The Weizmann year starts from July and to June. So this is basically our first month of the year. However, since we started typically in the financial year, we will have this report from the financial year of last year, that is April last year to June of this year. And then we will have a new year starting in this year. So this year is for what we call the wise year for our first charter club. Okay, this is our motto, and this is what the Weizmann International puts out as the motto and the global vision and vision. I'll just very quickly read it. You can also read it on your screens. The motto is to acknowledge the duty that accompanies every right. The global vision and mission. So this is the Weizmann International Global Vision and Mission. Building today for a better tomorrow. Our mission is to strive through active service to develop, encourage, and provide leadership to build a better world for all humankind. Providing service as an independent international service organization serving the YMCA and the community. We are playing a key role in sustainable development through the Time of Fast, Global Project Fund, and in our partnership with the International Federation of the Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies to fight malaria in endemic countries. Okay, can you all hear me? Hello? Hello?
Ready, but Alberto is back. Yes.
I'm sorry. I lost
Yes,
connection.
Alvito.
I think I had connectivity issues. I'll just open that again.
Yes.
Okay, so I'll continue.
Yes, Alvito.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Jason sir, I think you can mute your this thing. Jason sir.
Yeah, for some kind.
Yeah, mute your mic because there is some background noise coming up.
Okay, if you don't mind, can I mute all till I do the report, because we'll talk.
Yeah, that would be better. That would be better. Yeah, that's a good.
Yes, good.
Okay, I'll do that. Yeah, so that we can talk. So I'll talk one-sided, and then we can talk, discuss it later.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so as you all know, and Roy mentioned, we had our Charter Club installation at the YMCA International House on the 26th of February. I'll just read this through. So the Weizmann Charter Club of Mumbai had its first installation ceremony on the 26th of February 2019, when International President of the Weizmann, Ms. Jennifer Jones, had visited Mumbai along with Mr. Jose Varghese, the Secretary General of the Weizmann International. The function was hosted and conducted by the Bombay YMCA at YMCA IH, where hosts President Mr. Noel Amana of Bombay YMCA, a few of the board members, Mr. Paul George, General Secretary, and some friends were present. 15 new members were formally and symbolically, if you remember, we did the candlelight, inducted into the Weizmann Dome by lighting of candles and taking oath as per the protocol of the Weizmann International. Subsequently, in the next meeting, the ball was set rolling, and the first meeting was held again at the YMCA International House about a couple months later on the 26th of April, where Advocate Rui Rodrigues was elected as the first president of the Weizmann Charter Club of Mumbai. Jason Samuel was chosen as president-elect. Dr. L. Srinivasan, secretary. Alvito myself was selected joint secretary, and Mr. Emerson Anthony was appointed as treasurer. Subsequent meetings and fellowship, we became a very vibrant club. This is a photograph of, on the top, if you remember our first meeting where we celebrated President's birthday at the Catholic Gymkhana. So regular club meetings followed and fellowship followed thereafter, increasing bond between members, and also more understanding about the Weizmann concept, vision, and mission worldwide. At the meetings, important plans were made and decisions were taken to make the presence and work of the Weizmann Club of Mumbai count in the city, keeping in mind the broad objectives of the Weizmann International of providing service as an independent international service organization serving the YMCA and the community at large. We are happy to report the following successful projects undertaken in our first year of existence. The first project we undertook was the Balwadi. Our club decided to support one Balwadi. This project comes under the outreach department of the Bombay YMCA. 30 children, precisely more than 30, precisely 34 children were enrolled under this program from the marginalized community of South Bombay. This is in Tardev, in a BMC school at Tardev. The expenditure of the financial year for this Balwadi operating from the municipal school at Tardev was undertaken completely by the Wiseman Club of Mumbai. Advocate Rui Rodriguez presented over a check of rupees 1.5 lakhs to the president of the Bombay YMCA at one of the board meetings towards that end. Club members visited this Balwadi. So you see the picture the first picture is of the president presenting the check to the Bombay YMCA. The second picture is when some members, along with YMCA secretaries and the associated outreach department secretaries, visited the Balwadi on just a couple of days before Christmas, and we handed over distributed cakes and gifts and stuff to the children. It was probably my most memorable day. It definitely is the most memorable day of the Wiseman for the last year. Okay, the next project we undertook was financial support for the water wheel project. If you all remember, we were at Colaba at the meeting, and Rui proposed this. His daughter ran this project through her school. So we made a financial contribution to the water wheel project of the Inner Wheel Club in association with the prominent school of Mumbai, given its laudable object to make easy the carrying of water by women from the lake to their homes in the villages or far-flung remote areas without easy access to drinking water. So the water wheel is an amazing low-cost innovation that simply reduces huge inconvenience and hardships faced in the transportation of potable water. It has a capacity of 45 liters and weighs just 3.5 kilos and is simple to roll on the ground. So that picture there is of that project that we made a contribution. The Wiseman Club made a contribution to. Our next donation was the table tennis sent to the Khane Fata VTC of the Bombay YMCA. The club donated table tennis table to be used by village children who have never played the game, probably never played the game before. This was provided in March 2020 to the Bombay YMCA's newly inaugurated VTC complex at Khane Fata, which is the photo there showed some of the Wisemen attended that. And of course, most of us were there as part of the Bombay YMCA. Okay, and then this probably became our biggest project, considering the immediate response we had to the COVID relief, like President just mentioned. So a club meeting was convened online because we went into lockdown, and to discuss and finalize the food aid program along with Bombay YMCA. Accordingly, our club distributed 275 food grain kits in the Vocational Training Center of Bombay YMCA at Khane Fata. We are glad to share that a total of about 2,01,250 rupees worth of kits were distributed, and based our activity report submitted to the Wiseman International Geneva, our club was selected to receive a funding assistance from Wiseman International globally towards this activity. During the lockdown period, club members extended full support to the Bombay YMCA as we actively participated in COVID-19 food aid distribution across Mumbai. Our club proactive role in this regard received recognition from Wiseman International. So that letter there at the side is the letter from the Wiseman International acknowledging our efforts, and that letter mentions that we received a grant of 1,000 Swiss francs, which is 70,000 came in Indian rupees, 70,000 Indian rupees that all got transferred in our account about a month after this letter was received. So this was basically an initiative the Wiseman International said that whatever you are contributing, we will try to match that up to 1,000 francs. Yeah, so we got the maximum grant of 1,000 francs since we had already raised more than 2 lakh rupees ourselves. We will talk about the financials in the financial statement, which is following in just a minute. Okay, club meetings and fellowship. At all our meetings, apart the great fellowship and a sense of camaraderie enjoyed by each and every one present, club members constantly envision and plan to involve many social cause projects that would benefit and help deprived communities at large. By selectively adding more members, the club strength, we are now 18 in total. During the year, members unanimously agreed on the practice to contribute financially on their birthday and anniversary month to help increase the funds used for projects, towards the projects. Okay, and then in the month of October, we received our charter certificate from the International Wiseman Club. So that's what is on the picture. Most of us, if you remember, it was at the New Bombay meeting at New Bombay that we received the charter certificate, which was dated 7th of October 2019, where we were approved as a charter club with effect from 25th February 2019, since that was the day of our first inaugural meeting. At the moment, there are no other clubs in the Maharashtra state. Okay, so our club is affiliated with Wiseman Club of Bangalore District 2, with Wiseman Club Aster as our sponsoring club, because as to form part of we have to be part of a certain district, so we are part of the Bangalore District 2. Our club is up to date with our subscriptions paid to the district, region, area, and international bodies as per the rules of the Wiseman International. As we look to the future, we are deeply satisfied with our performance during the first year of existence. But of course, like Rui said, we have a long way to go. Yeah, so I mean, we are a very closely knit club. We are very fortunate to be very closely knit. We all know each other very well. And this is just a list of all the members of the club, the charter club. So we are 18 of us in total, starting with the president, treasurer, secretary, joint secretary, president-elect, and all members. Okay, so so before I come to that last slide, I'm going to share the financial report. I'll just share it new again. So if you want to, I'm feeling kind of left out. So if you want to unmute yourself, please unmute yourself and talk. Okay. I hope you can all hear me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So this is the income and expenditure report. We've kind of put it together in a very consolidated manner, and yeah, I just spoke about the COVID response. I'll jump into the statement of account. So on the right hand side is our income, and the left hand side is the expenditure. So the income, like I mentioned earlier, we mainly had membership fees. So we had 18 members paying 15,000 rupees each. So 2,70,000 rupees was collected in the form of membership fees. We voluntarily contributed on birthdays and anniversaries. So we collected a total of about 41,000 rupees in that. Then on the water bucket front, the project, we targeted to collect 8,000 rupees. We collected 3,500 in this year, but we've had more contributions coming in the month of July, which will get accounted in this year. Then contributions from well-wishers. So I'll just scroll down to that. We had contributions, when we dined at the Links Pavilion in Colaba, bank interest and GS's contribution on his anniversary. If you remember that, we celebrated that in Colaba at the central branch. So that is the contributions from well-wishers. And then this most important contribution from the COVID relief. Yeah. So I'll just make a mention here about that. So this contribution has come into the Wiseman account. However, there was another 1,02,000 rupees that was collected by members or contributed by members of the Wiseman, but paid directly into the account of the Bombay YMCA. Of course, apart from their different contributions directly to the Bombay YMCA, but through the Wiseman, we directly received 1,20,000 into the Wiseman account. This includes the 70,000 of the Wiseman International and another 1,02,000. So we actually collected a total of 2,22,000 towards the COVID relief in that immediate period that we had. Yeah, the remaining amount is bank interest. So what did we spend on printing stationery? We got our letterheads, other stuff. Then all the food and snacks for our meetings. The 30,600 is what we have to compulsorily pay to international, regional, and district regions towards our membership fees. So that goes annually, that's what I understand. Then the projects, I'll just give you a breakup of that, 177. So 1,50,000, like I said, was to do the Balwadi project. 8,000 rupees was towards the water wheel project. 19,200 went towards the table tennis project at Kanefata. Then 1 lakh rupees went from the COVID, from the Wiseman account into the towards COVID relief. And like I said, 1,02,000 went directly to the Bombay YMCA account. So this 1 lakh was paid and checked by Wiseman to the Bombay YMCA account towards COVID relief. And at the moment, our balance is about 1,04,000, about 1,05,000, just under that. That includes our bank interest. So if you look at the total, and if we've been talking to other clubs, this is a remarkable amount for a first-year charter club at this size. So it's close to, you add the 1,02,000 that went directly into the Bombay YMCA account, we're close, more than 5.5 lakhs, close to 5.5 lakhs in the first year of total contributions and donations we've made for the charter club. So this is the details of the total income. So like I said, there were membership fees. So 18 of us contributed 2,70,000. The birthdays and dinners was, of course, some of them paid directly for the dinners, took care of the bill, like Jacob and Rui. Then we contributed a water bucket project. This was till the end of June. So that's our total income. And then these are amounts that I was talking about, the 1,02,000. These are amounts that were paid directly into the Bombay YMCA account. So Foster Lewis, Bobby George, Sanjeev Shah, these checks went directly to the Bombay YMCA account, though the Bombay YMCA accounted them for, contributions from the Wiseman Club of Mumbai. And then these were the checks that came into the Wiseman account. Yeah, from various sources, and of course there were other that through our contacts in terms of friends and relatives and stuff, that we had other payments going to the Bombay YMCA. Okay, so yeah, these are the other contributions that I was talking about. Okay, so this is the income and expenditure statement. So that is all I have to share for now. Yeah, I just wanna say, that, I mean, this Leo and Bini put a lot of effort in getting this presented, prepared, and I'm just presenting it. As joint secretary. Yeah, so I just want to commend Leo. I mean, he goes out of his way to contribute to the club and the driving force behind it, and to Bini for preparing and doing all the fancy stuff in the report. Yeah, okay, so I think, yeah, President, back to you, over to you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Has this been audited, please?
Yes, I think Sharad wants to ask something.
Have the accounts been audited?
No, I don't think so. Leo, you want to come in on that? You'll have to. Yeah, just.
It is not audited. It's very small account, Sharath, club account, and it is tallying with the bank statement. But we don't have the system of auditing as of now. I think once the funds become bigger, we can take a call. That's my submission. President can decide and the treasurer can decide.
Yeah, we'll take a call on that.
Yeah.
Yeah, correct.
Now,
can have a list internal auditing and
we'll do that.
No, is it a question of the cost of doing the audit?
No, it's hardly any. Last year there were just about 40 transactions or something like that, as far as the bank is concerned. No cost. Maybe an internal somebody can, treasurer of course is Amarsan. So somebody else can internally audit it.
That's right. It's a very modest.
Yeah, it is internal. Internal, we can do it. We can do internal auditing.
The point is, if we are going to go, we'll have to go for some charity commissioner
No,
registration.
not as of
Yeah,
now.
yeah. So
That is later on.
Later. Once
Yeah.
we are registered, then it's a
Because-
different issue.
See, a lot of donations will get held up because of ATG. We'll have to
Yeah.
apply for charity commissioner registration, ATG, whatever other formalities are
Yeah.
required, possibly FCRA.
Yeah.
So
Sharad, I think what we'll do, once the new committee is formed, then we'll take a
Yeah,
call on
we'll
all that.
call on that, right?
Yeah, we'll
Absolutely
take a
right.
call.
Yeah,
Right
so-
now, let us restrict to this agenda today.
Mr. President, actually, there's two things here. One is currently we route it through the YMCA, then they can get the ATG. That's for current.
Yeah, that is right. That is right.
And the second thing is at the district meeting when they were having, they said that to help clubs like us, so we don't go through the rigmarole of registering and all that, they're trying to form something where all of us are involved. So if it goes through that, then they'll automatically get the donation. We have to wait
Yeah,
for that to
right.
happen.
Yes. So
Yeah,
we will.
sure. So
yes.
we've had extended discussions on this. Yeah, but Sharad, it's something that we have to really discuss and get into because we've had.
Yes.
Yeah.
We have had a lot
put in
of discussions, the
Yeah.
pros and cons of this registration.
okay.
Alvito, I think Srinivasan sir is telling to unmute him.
Yeah,
Alvito.
but he has to unmute himself. He has to unmute himself. He has to unmute.
yourself.
Srinivasan
Somebody
sir.
call him and tell. Let somebody call.
I
Jason.
can't unmute him. He has to unmute himself.
You
Jason
can do it
give him a
your own.
Are
Now
you
it's
able to hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
See, if we need to get the corporate sponsorship, it's better we get it audited and get all those exemptions and all. And I have already discussed, the president is also aware of it.
Yes.
Maybe-
Now, doctor, I have just told Sharad also before you. So I said now once the new committee is formed, we'll take a call on that how to go.
Yeah.
about
Yes, we will take.
it. Right now, since we are restricting ourselves to the agenda,
I
I would
agree.
request all of us to stick to it, please.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right.
Now, with
Yeah,
respect to the donations for this ATG, which were made to YMC also by wise men, I also, of course, we have seen from the display, would like to make a special mention of Foster Lewis and his family, who have contributed a huge amount, as all of you have seen, and which Alvito also has read about. I really acknowledge with appreciation the contribution so made by him and his family. And I'm sure in future also we'll be able to push our agenda with such voluntary contribution. And of course, as doctor said, from corporates and others, which is a separate issue, which we'll also deal with at the appropriate time once the committee is formed, followed by the installation. Yes, now the next item on the agenda for today is a very important item, and it is there on the screen. Election of president by the general body for wise year 2021. I leave it to the house to take it ahead.
I propose Advocate Rui Rodriguez.
Same thing.
continues
I suggest, I support it.
In fact, the suggestion has come from the world body also.
Thank you very much.
I suggest Rui itself.
I was unaware of the suggestion.
I stand by the decision of the committee.
Good.
I too second that opinion.
Thank you very much to all of you. I very gracefully accept the honor conferred on me for another year from the Charter Club. We will be growing now into a non-charter first year. Charter Club for the first year. Now we are into the, we have, in a way, we are going to charter into another territory, if I may put it so.
Correct.
So does he get another label? Does he get another label, or that he has to use the same?
No, another pin.
Another pin.
No,
yes.
I think you have to wash the same one and use it again for the lockdown.
Who said the other pin? Because we always used to call in our meetings, the kingpin is our Jason. Kingpin.
Vice President is Jason.
Pardon? Yeah. Now you see, now having elected me, I express my most profound and deepest gratitude to each and every member, and I request from the bottom of my heart that despite COVID challenges, as we have all come together and worked unitedly to meet the objectives and also receive international recognition, as Alvito has told you. From the screen it was read, and I was also pleasantly surprised that Leo also has said that it was a recommendation of the world body to again continue me as the president for 2021 wise year. I am really grateful to all of you, because united we stand. At the end of the day, it's a small family. We, as I said in my welcome address, we need to make this family grow in a proper direction with like-minded members who would gel with our mission and vision, if I may say so. Thank you. Having elected me as the president, my next task would be to form the committee for this year, or what we call the cabinet. As all of you know, last year we had proposed the name of Jason Samuel as president-elect, which we, in abbreviation, wise men all over, they call it PE. I, in my capacity as the president, hereby propose the name of wise man Jason Samuel to be PE, president-elect. I would request any member to... Yes.
Yeah,
I see the thumbs up. Yes. Thank you very much. Friends, since we are looking forward to the growth of our club, I propose the name of Dr. L. Srinivasan as our vice president. Wise man Dr. L. Srinivasan presently is the secretary. I propose to elevate him as the vice president.
I second it.
Thank you very much. Yes. And
Thank you very much.
yes, Dr. Srinivasan, I must, as the president, you have been our resourceful secretary. I would request you to be equally or more resourceful as the vice president, especially from the point of view of sponsorships. Though you are in Madras, your heart is in Bombay. You are very much closely associated with wise men, and you are also a life member of Bombay YMCA. So you have this relationship with Bombay. It's close to your heart. So wherever you are, whether south, east, west, north, you must contribute in whichever way you have been doing to Wise Men Club. So that is why this special assignment in my assessment, I have entrusted it to you.
Thank you, sir. It will be done.
Thank you very much. Next.
Congrats, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Next comes the post of secretary. Ahead in full steam. Keeping that in view, I hereby propose the name of wise.
I second it. I also second it.
Thank you very much. Yes, Sharad, you are on
Stand
board.
by that.
Thank
I
you very
stand
much.
by the decision.
Thank you very much, Doctor.
Good.
Thank you very much. Fourth, I propose to continue Wise Man Alvito Fernandez as our joint secretary for Wise Year 2021.
Second that.
Good decision.
Thank you very much.
Welcome gesture.
I further propose the name of Wise Man Amerson Anthony to continue as the treasurer of our club for Wise Year 2021.
I second it.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you.
And all the best, Amerson.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
And finally, I propose for the post of bulletin editor, our wise man, Vinny T.
I second it.
Thank you.
I also second it.
Thank you very much. Vinny,
Congrats, Bini sir. Congrats.
Congrats, Bini.
Thank you so much,
Congrats,
sir.
Alvito. Congrats, Emerson.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Our bulletins will be as colorful and as presentable
Yes.
as today's reports and the accounts.
Yes.
All the best,
Hopefully.
Vinny.
Hopefully. Thank you so much.
Ultimately,
Thank you.
It has an international image, and we have to keep that in mind. And we have to meet those standards. We have made a very humble and modest beginning today, and any task well begun is half done. All the best, Vinny. Having said so, let us move back to the agenda. Alvito, could you please? Do I now declare the committee for this year?
Read out.
Yes, yes, I am reading out. As the president, I hereby declare the following members who have been unanimously elected today at this annual meeting. First, Wiseman Jason Samuel, President-elect. Second, Dr. L. Srinivasan, Vice President. Third, Wiseman Sharad Kanga, Secretary. Fourth, Wiseman Alvito Fernandez, Joint Secretary. Fifth, Wiseman Emerson Anthony, Treasurer. Sixth, Wiseman Bini T, Bulletin Editor. We always jokingly call Bini T, that T stands for tycoon. I'm sure
Yes, yes.
he will travel beyond Bulletin and also live up to that reputation.
Congrats.
Yeah.
Congrats to all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Yeah. Thank you so much.
All the
Thank
best
you,
to the
everybody.
committee, and we'll meet up soon, and then accordingly we'll give a push to our projects for this year, incoming year, forthcoming year. Yeah, next on agenda. Yes, now that President's agenda can be shared on screen. Already I have made a welcome address and have given some of my remarks in between. So therefore, on the screen it will be self-explanatory. So let us go to the screen, Bini. Can everybody read it? Font is little small.
We can't read.
Yeah, Bini, can you read it? The font is better to read it.
Not be reader.
You can increase the font on your screen.
No, we can't read.
I don't know. I would request Bini to read it to save on time.
Alvito, can you just enable the editing, please? Yeah. President, can I?
Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Yeah, the proposed programs for the WISE year 2021 by President. The first on the agenda is cataract surgery in tribal belt in collaboration with Navdrishti Trust of Panvel. So we are trying to, what we deliberated earlier, sir, say this is something in line with the global programs of Wiseman International, wherein there are a few other Wiseman clubs in India. They are also doing similar type of programs in India, and international Wiseman do support these type of programs. So we thought of syncing our program along with the international program. And the first program what we discussed was cataract surgery in tribal belt with Navdrishti Trust of Panvel. So total we can try to go with, like, say 24 surgeries, and one surgery cost around 4,000 rupees. So for this WISE year, we can allocate a budget of 96,000 rupees for this program. And the second one, the spectacles for this, for the patients from the rural area who cannot afford, and the eye consultation. So we are trying to say around 120 of them, and at 400 rupees per patient, so which comes to around 48,000 rupees. And this serial number 1 and 2 can be done when we do the serial number 3. So we propose to, do the eye care camps up to say around 50 kilometers from Panvel. And each camp cost around 6,000 rupees. So we can conduct 4 camps. So the touch points is around 50 people per camp. So it will cost us around 24,000 rupees for 4 camps in a year. Every quarter we can do 1 camp. And from these camps we can identify, because there are social workers involved in this particular trust, with whom we are getting along, and reach out to 24 people for surgeries and another 120. Based on our funds and how we raise our resources, these things can go, we can raise the bar for this first and the second item. And the fourth thing what we discussed, because being a pandemic year, so there are needs for hygiene and other requirements. So identifying some tribal school nearby, it can be either on the western side or towards Gujarat or towards Bombay, Pune, whichever region we try to identify. We can identify one school to start off and offer 6 basins, which would cost. These are the tentative costs which we have taken based on the current assessment. It can we can go in for more economical also, and 6 basin which will cost us around 36,000 rupees. So we are trying to reach out to one school. So in that school we will put this wash basins, and we'll try to do some awareness program wherein Wiseman too gets its platform, and we can go with posters or murals or campaigns and other things. So another 15,000 rupees can be proposed for this particular activity. So one school, this much activity. If we can raise more, we can go further. Sanitary napkin, this idea, basically, came in from Dr. Ellis. He has been supporting this type of cause in other places, and if you recollect, he has shared his his involvement in one project in Delhi. So we said we should take up this, and this is again a need, in the rural belt. So maybe we can go in, say the item number 4, 5, and 6. Say one school wherein we club all this, and we can provide, say maybe reach out to 100 girl child, and we can issue some disposable bins too, and a set of 4, what as per doctors views, it was around 12 rupees what he had informed during the internal meeting. So he said 12 rupees for a set of 4. So if we say that, okay, we give 2 sets for 100 kid into 12 months, so it comes to approximate around 28,000 rupees. So this was the broad program what we tried to figure out. So if some addition or some other proposals, or if some other initiatives we have to take up, we can do that. Being pandemic year, we had tried to restrict because of various other financial difficulties which is there. So we tried to restrict to the bare minimum budget. Alvito, can you please take it to the second one? We have. Yeah. So additional, we have some plans, like there are various programs which goes on at the international level, in the domestic level, which need to align our projects with the global programs. Like, they have a program called Rollback Malaria. So this Rollback Malaria program is again a UN-based program where large number of the resource allocation is very huge. So if we try to, once we stabilize and once we mature more, so these are some of the programs which our club should look into. Secondly, we also plan to do some merchandise for the club members, and then we have how the charter club can create another maybe 5 to 10 clubs in 2 to 3 years time, as our president was mentioning in his address, so that we can form a district. So this has been recommended, and this has been the advice from the Bangalore district too, so that being Bombay, and the Bombay YMCA being one of the the largest and the biggest YMCA, if I'm not wrong, in India. So we should be having our own district rather than sticking with the Bangalore. So for that it may take maybe 2-3 years. So hope that we try to activate and we do this so that the charter club can become the district, and more clubs can join. Promoting Wiseman Club of Mumbai in various YMCA branches. So this is another point which was discussed earlier also, and we continue to give stress on this, so that how we can increase, so that we can have more clubs in Mumbai. We can have one in Navi Mumbai. The members who are there already in the Navi from the Navi Mumbai side in this, they can continue, but Navi Mumbai can have independent clubs, and maybe a few in Western. How about going to Pune, Nasik, and be it Sholapur, where we can get 15 people. That way, how the charter club can lead in this region, because Maharashtra is not there in the Wiseman India's map. So how we can lead and bring in more clubs, forming the menace and the youth clubs that involve families, spouses, and children for the programs and activities. These are the things which were discussed in the second, third meeting. But the general view was that okay, once we stabilize and once we know each other, even in the 18, we can get into the second stage of forming these clubs. So this could be the agenda for the president's team this wise year. And there is a program called Brother Clubs. So Brother Club, there is again a process for application, and there is certain formalities which we need to coordinate with the regional and the area club service directors. Area service directors. So we can partner with any club across the world. So that's another opportunity where we can partner with any of the clubs within India. We can have multiple, but initially they suggest to go for one. Once the international service director sees that okay, the Brother Club is working well and it is in line with the Wiseman International's norms, so then they allow us to partner with other clubs also anywhere in the globe. So one point which I missed, we need to create a database for birthdays and wedding anniversaries. Earlier we tried to do, but again we missed on those things. So as bulletin editor, this would be one of my jobs to do it on regular basis, so that I'll be reaching individually all the club members, Wiseman, to share the details, so that we are able to wish on those particular dates. And coming to the communication and networking with regional, national, and international leaders. So we need to network. So once we start networking in the first year, we could network to certain level, but now we at national and international level. So what I understand from President and Mr. Leo and Dr. Ellis and others who have been attending various Zoom meetings of Southern Wiseman clubs. So I do understand that at many Zoom meetings, our club's name were mentioned, and that's good to know about it. But we'd like to take it to the next level. So everybody's support and contribution will be needed in this. And these are the broad plans discussed. Any of the Wisemen, they want to make any suggestions, so we can deliberate and we can incorporate those suggestions. So what do you, President?
Thank you very much, Vinny.
Thank you.
Yeah. So these, as we have said, are broad-based plans. Anything further, since we have now a new committee in place, we'll take it ahead. And Jason,
Yeah.
yes, in fact, Jason has been of the view that despite these restrictions whereby there are no physical meetings happening, some physical meeting could happen at Central YMCA. A few members from maybe South Bombay or wherever, which is why I also propose the name of Sharad Kanga. And we can have a hybrid virtual platform plus those who can come to Kulaba, because all the papers are at Central Y. That is how we have been, that has been the nerve center of all our activities. We take off from there and then we are going out. So this I propose to do subsequently, and I wish all of you to be aligned to the objectives which have been displayed. We know that the fellowships may not happen now so soon, but in a limited manner, as I have said. And we also, I mean, as far as the installation is concerned, to which I will come at the end of all the items, we have a particular plan in mind now that the committee has been formed. Having gone through all this, the report, the proposed agenda for WISE year 2021, suggestions are always welcome, but at a later stage, today being the annual meet, as I have said repeatedly, let us confine ourselves to the agenda. As such, the last item, or rather the second last item, would be, we always say at any program that this is last but not the least. This is the most important item, because there is the expression of gratitude, acknowledgement of contribution, not only by the members, but all others also, including our mentors. Mentoring has been happening from Bangalore district too, because that is where our sponsoring club, Green Aster, is affiliated to. And accordingly, keeping all that in mind, I request our outgoing secretary and incoming vice president, Dr. L. Srinivasan, to do the honor. Doctor.
Thank you, President. It's indeed a privilege for me to give the vote of thanks for this August gathering on a virtual platform. And I need to recollect many people who are not present also, who helped us from the background all along, all through the year. First and foremost, I would like to thank our Secretary General, International, Mr. Jose Varghese, for bringing all of us together and forming this Wiseman Club of Mumbai. Special thanks to Mr. Jose Varghese, sir. And he continued to support till today for the successful maneuvering of this club. And Wiseman Club of Mumbai profoundly thanks the past district governor of Bangalore District 2, Mr. Johnny John, and more specifically, the former district secretary, Mr. M. Sebastian. They were guiding us, our club, at various issues ever since we have formed our club. Thank you, sirs. And our present district governors, Bangalore District 2, Mr. Benny Augustine, is very much after our club to take a lead for the most dynamic performance in forthcoming years. Sir, we thank you very much. And our sponsor club, Wiseman Club of Green Aster, Bangalore District 2. We thank you very much for sponsoring us and inviting us for the various virtual meetings in the recent past, despite the COVID is there. It has benefited us a lot to understand how the other clubs are functioning, how the affiliations are with the district. So we are able to conduct this meeting in a better manner than what we expected. Thank you, Green Aster Club. Sir, President, Bombay YMCA, Mr. Noel Amana, our special thanks to you to be with us from the day of foundation until today, the first presentation of our annual report. Thank you very much for your continued support and your patient hearing and be with us. And I'm very glad that you registered yourself as a wise man. You are welcome to us. Welcome to our club. Once again, thank you very much. And General Secretary, Bombay YMCA, Mr. Paul George. Sir, we thank you very much. Indeed, I had a very close association with you in the last 1 year. You were able to be present in all the meetings we were conducting of Weissman Club of Mumbai. And we were also privileged to be associated with your project in Kanefata. We are very happy about that. We have understood the magnitude and the scale in which you have successfully conducted that program. In fact, I flew down from Chennai to see that, to understand to what level our Bombay YMCA and our associated clubs are contributing for the well-being of the less privileged of the society. I'm very deeply moved by these philanthropic activities of our Bombay YMCA. Special thanks to Noel Amana and Paul George. Sir, I'm saluting you on behalf of our Bombay Weissman Club. And if I have not mentioned the name of one gentleman who accommodated us, who taken care of us during the rain, during the odd hours, in his office, in his residence with excellent hospitality, none other than our Colaba YMCA head, Mr. Leonard Salins. Mr. Leo, I learned a lot from you despite of your busy schedule. Whenever I wanted to meet you and come and spend time with you during odd hours, you were kind enough to accommodate me and spend time with me. And that has gone a long way. In fact, you have even taken efforts to talk to London YMCA to see that I get an accommodation there during my visit when I went to give speeches on prevention of juvenile crimes and prevention of suicides. Thank you, Leo. And you will be continue to be with us, and we will be with you wherever you are. We would like to see you growing in the YMCA ladder. And I thank each and every one of our 18 club members, including myself, particularly Alvito and Binny, Amarsan, our president, Mr. Jason, the elderly stalwart, and Mr. Ashish, and rest of the people. If I have missed anybody's name, kindly bear with me. And each and every member of our club has silently contributed if they can't physically come. And this club has stood by me even in my personal, agony when my father has passed away. That shows the family and oneness of this club. I am very much happy to continue to be associated. I personally feel the positions are only a decoration. My heart and soul is there wherever philanthropic activities are there. I once again thank you all for electing me as Vice President. I'll continue to do my good job. Before concluding my vote of thanks, I would like to share with you that 2nd August is my birthday. Like last year, I will be contributing 10,000 rupees this year also for the well-being of the society through our Weissman Club. I once again thank each and every one of you. All the best. We'll continue to march forward.
Thanks so much, sir.
Thank you very much, Doctor.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, indeed, in every sense of the term, you are a philanthropist at heart and in action. You have already announced a contribution of 10,000, which last year.
It's not for hardly a week left.
Hello, can you hear?
Yes, yes.
Money will come. Money. I will transfer the money.
Yeah, no, that is fine. But I'm saying that philanthropist at heart and in action. So we want you to see both these roles entire year as the Vice President, and you will be in a better position now also to coordinate in such a way that presently you are in Madras. So we'll get some more sponsorships and basically sponsorships and enrollment These are the two tasks which I'm looking forward to Doctor
Yes.
to help us out to grow further
Yeah.
as we charter ourselves into a non-chartered first year.
Yes.
From charter, we are getting into a new territory. Now we are not a charter from this year, though we
Rohit
always
sir,
remain
just to
members of the charter club.
Yeah, Rohit sir, just to interrupt you.
Yeah.
Dr. Srinivasan has called everyone to Chennai for one meeting.
Yeah. I am about to
Yeah,
tell
we'll
that.
do that
I am about to
after
tell
this,
that. I welcome all the members that I will host a meeting in
Excellent,
Chennai,
excellent.
and I'll arrange
Yeah.
for your Mahabalipuram visit also. I told
Thank
it
you,
on the
thank
other
you.
day to our
Yes.
members.
That I will request Jason to.
Yeah, it will be a privilege conferred on me to host a meeting
Yes.
here.
Yeah, we will
Thank
do
you,
that.
thanks so much, sir.
I'll certainly come to Bombay and attend the meetings.
Yes.
Thank
I
you,
know
thank you.
last year also, despite all they have been coming, now only once these restrictions are lifted and flights are normal, we are looking forward to more physical interactions
No,
at that level.
Yeah, we'll get a
Virtual
private jet.
platform has its own
We'll get a
challenges,
private
even
jet.
then
Don't
we are
worry
going
about
ahead.
flying.
Pardon?
Doctor, we'll get a private jet, will we?
Thank you very much. And we
Yeah.
have to go outside India for attending meetings,
Yeah, we
international
will do that,
conferences.
Doctor.
Yeah,
We will
we
do that.
starts.
Yeah.
Yes. Now,
Over to you,
since-
President.
Yes, Doctor, can I just interrupt for a moment?
Yeah.
We will continue this talk against the last item which is on the agenda. Could you just share it,
It's
Alvito?
it's
Online
just
fellowship.
yeah, it says online fellowship. Yeah.
Online fellowship. Now, I, in my capacity as the president for the new wise year 2021, hereby declare the annual meeting closed, and I throw the house open now for online fellowship. Unfortunately, I do not know when the physical fellowships will
Fellowship.
occur. Yeah.
But Jason, what is your plan today?
Jason with his beer.
Jason, what is your plan today?
I got my delivery. I don't know about you guys, but my beer got delivered today at 6
President,
p.m.
Mr. President, Rui
Yeah,
was
yeah.
supposed to announce the date of the next
Yes,
charter
I'm
meeting.
doing that. Before
Okay,
that,
okay,
I
okay.
thought, what is the special
After the
treat
fellowship.
for us from
You
your
have
side?
special brand.
Yeah,
I'll
that's
tell
what
you why,
everybody is
because
keen
I
to know.
got a
Your
borrowed-
special brand.
As you are aware, I could not start in the beginning. Same thing yesterday, I couldn't join their Bible study because there was a network problem. I had borrowed something which I have to give up now. So that's why I may have to run. So
Yeah. So now, on that note, may I announce the installation ceremony, the date, on 31st of July at 7:30 p.m. 31st July, 7:30 p.m. Please all make a note of it. The installation has to take place on or before 31st. So this is the date which is selected, next Friday evening. Yes, and I would request Jason to ensure that there is no connectivity issue on Friday evening.
no. I will.
Yeah, because I have to announce your name, I have to present you
Yeah.
to the house. Yes, we cannot wait for you
So
because
now I identified the problem. So
the district governor, Bangalore District 2, Mr. Benny
Yeah.
Augustine himself is a very renowned corporate HR professional. That day we had a video link talk with him, and he has agreed to lead the installation ceremony and install the new computer. And I have attended a couple of his installation ceremonies. It's brilliant. And later on, he is going to undertake a training for our club. It's a special training which he will be organizing. This could be held a week thereafter or whenever, as per the convenience of all, to inculcate in us and to expose us to wise men philosophy in general, and how we can get attuned to it in a better way and get more members and grow. That is ultimately the object. Community project is what is at the heart of this entire movement. And of course, in association, and I have said symbiotically with YMCA. Or Bombay YMCA is a very strong organization. So I have absolutely no manner of doubt that Wise Men Mumbai also will grow in leaps and bounds. Thank you very much. And online now, whatever else, Doctor or...
I want to thank Bobby and Sharad Ganga. I missed their name while I was thanking. Thank you very much for both of you.
Yes.
I wish congratulations and best luck for all the incoming members.
Yes, very Sharad.
Thank you. I'm here. Thank you.
Bobby,
Thank you, Doctor.
Bobby, Senior Bobby.
Thank you, Louis. Louis, thank you very much.
Foster, that is Foster.
Foster. Yes, yes.
Okay.
I thought Jason may think about Foster brand of beer.
And Mr. Babu, Babu, I'm not seeing his face, Mr. Babu. I thank you very much.
Foster.
Mr. Babu.
Line, I mean,
but yeah,
thank you.
Roy, you always been saying Kingmaker. It's actually Kingfisher.
No, that was Kingpin. Kingpin.
Kingfish.
Thank you very much, Babu. After a long time, all well.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we must now. I don't know when this physical fellowship will happen, but the last program at
New Bombay.
Yes, New
Belapur.
Yeah.
Street with Jason.
Pub Street.
Pub Street. Jason studied that street for only 1 hour. Get the best of all the pubs there before we went to our place where we were supposed to be. I think Babu, we must organize one more over there.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Foster?
Yeah.
Yeah. What about
Foster's mutton biryani and beer and biryani party is pending.
Yeah, it's pending, and we are waiting for this period to get over. As the president rightly says, we don't know when, but when it happens, you're all welcome.
Oh, excellent. So we have
lot of pending invitations
with Dr. LS to Chennai.
Tell me, President.
Yeah, I'm saying that we have a lot of invites pending, starting with Chennai.
Yeah, you should come. You will enjoy.
Yeah,
November to February is a very nice time to come to Chennai.
Jason will coordinate all this.
Yeah, we hope that the COVID gets resolved, issue gets resolved, and we get vaccines and all so that we can move around.
Oh, that's right.
And November to February will be a good period because
very ideal time for Chennai to come.
Take us to some concerts and all. It will be really mesmerizing concerts during that period. If I'm not wrong, right,
good.
Doctor?
We can go to Mahabalipuram also. It's a nice place.
Yes, Mahabalipuram is there.
What is Mahabalipuram?
It's a beach resort.
It's a beach resort.
It's more than 1,500.
Twice to Madras High Court. In front of Madras High Court, there is YMCA also. Madras YMCA. I don't know.
Esplanade
YMCA. But which YMCA? Which
Esplanade.
Esplanade, yes, in front of the High Court. I was very happy too.
Yes, you have one in near that station near Punamale.
Okay.
There also you have Punamali High Road. You have one more. Yeah. On the right side there is one more.
I think Bini during the day, doctor will take us to all these places, and at night you can take us to concerts.
No. He will only have to take us because he is a better guide.
You can give him some leads, then he will.
No. I think he is already a leader. A leader doesn't need a leader. No.
Anyway, we'll enjoy when the time comes.
Yes.
We'll cross the river as the bridge comes. We'll celebrate it as the time comes.
The field is wide open to doctor.
Yes, only thing is, since doctor is a pure vegetarian, we all will suffer because there are so many good non-vegetarian restaurants.
He don't have any problem for others.
He can have Thai sadam there.
He has been there. All our fellowships.
I will never stand by that. You can go ahead. We are all
great.
In front of Chidambaram Stadium, there is one mess called Nayar Mess. That is the ultimate mess what I have seen in South India. Nayar Mess.
For non-veg.
Everything you will get.
Okay, so doctor, I think we'll go there.
There are good places are there. Don't worry. We have plenty of time. It's an enjoyable place. Only thing now.
Bini sir knows in and out of Chennai.
Yeah.
But he wound up the business, unfortunately. He wound up the Chennai business. He told me on the other day.
Yeah.
How's the scene there now? Is it bad? Cases?
It's raining. It's raining now in Chennai.
No, cases, COVID.
COVID is flourishing like anything, right, left, and center.
Chennai is horrible. Chennai is horrible.
Horrible.
I am going only for 2 hours walk, 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock. I don't eat anything. I don't drink anything en route. I just go carry my water, finish my walk, and come back.
But you're wearing the mask, no?
Yeah, of course, it is compulsory. Otherwise, they will fine you. Police will fine you.
Good.
The mandatory thing.
That's also very risk. Some of the people they don't go out of the house.
Yeah, many people don't. My brother's family has not left Bombay for 4 months. They have not left the house.
Oh,
My
I see.
brother and sister-in-law, 4 months they have not left the house.
That's not good.
Everything goes to their doorstep through known people.
Yes.
Yeah. But that's the case with most people over here.
Yes.
Yeah, both of
Especially
them
at
got recently operated. You know, they are susceptible for any quick infection.
Yeah, they have to be extra careful.
They are they are extremely careful.
Yeah. Leo has made an expression. He wants to say something.
No, I got a message. So
Yeah, I
I
thought
got a
you are
message.
coming with something interesting. So doctor has praised your hospitality.
Yeah. Arey, he has taken to his house unofficially and taken care of us.
Excellent.
How can we forget that?
That
That's the height of hospitality.
It's at odd hours, it seems. That also at odd hours.
On a rainy day, that too.
No, but what we have to realize is Leo's in the doghouse by his wife from that day.
And the house rules have become more strict after.
Jason, you have to go for confession for doing that.
Yes, cross. No, the cardinal is there. Cross.
That is pending.
Confession is pending for committing that sin. Yeah, but we've had some fun days. Colaba, twice in
Colaba, yes.
House, and the first one was at Catholic Gymkhana. Ruiz, Catholic Gymkhana, where Ruiz's birthday was celebrated.
Yes.
I think that was July.
I think Catholic Gymkhana has become COVID center, right? Nah?
Oh, is it?
Yes.
Yeah. Catholic Gymkhana, they have taken over as a COVID center now.
Oh, I see.
They have taken over our YMCA International House. What more you want?
Yeah. Correct.
And they were trying to attack a Colaba YMCA. Thank God we survived.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yes.
Yeah.
They had eyes here also.
Okay.
How are things in Thane? Foster, how are things in Thane?
Oh, it is increasing.
Even New Bombay also they tried.
In Thane,
Bombay. But,
okay.
But there are some 20-25 students who are staying there. No, that's why they brought it.
Oh. Otherwise, they would have taken that also.
Yeah, definitely.
No, the other thing, the sad part was one of our committee member expired day before yesterday. Arjun George.
That's what Amarsan told me.
Oh, very sad.
Very sad, yeah. 48-year-old. Yeah.
Very young.
What did he die of?
COVID.
COVID. He is detected as COVID. Then positive. Then it is got negative. Then he got some infection. And the chest, liver, it's affected to lungs and all.
Oh, very sad.
Where was the funeral held, TS sir? Where was the funeral?
Today it was.
No, where was it? In Trivandrum or here?
No, here only. Nirul.
Okay.
Yeah, reality, we don't know how he died. Like, frankly speaking. So these days it's very.
He tested negative. He tested negative. Then after a few days, then he got an attack.
Very sad.
Yeah.
We'll all remember him in our prayers.
Yeah, we should.
Yes.
And after death also they took test.
That also came negative.
Negative. Otherwise, they don't give that body to.
Okay. That's why the body was kept in the coffin. Okay.
Yeah, I was asking about Thane. How are things in Thane, Foster?
The place that I stay, is not a red zone or anything of that
Where
sort.
do you stay, Foster? Thane? Where do you stay?
I stay at Hiranani Estate.
Oh, that is
Godbandar
Road, yeah. So it is pretty safe. I've been going for my walks every day. I just have a huge garden just below my house.
Excellent.
And I can walk anywhere around in the colony. The shops are open. So but we are all observing very strict standards of safety. Every building, we are a group of maybe around 120 and more buildings.
Yeah.
So very strictly followed all the rules.
But some pockets of Thane are affected.
Yeah. They
Very
come
much,
under the
yeah,
containment zone very much. It's
Yeah.
usually mostly the areas which have a high density of population.
Oh, so yesterday I
They
got
have
a
come under.
call from Thane municipal engineer, TMC,
Okay. Okay.
Namdar. He told me even he got COVID and he has isolated himself now.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
But all said and done, I must say that the authorities are doing a reasonable job. They are following up every case very well, and trying to. The follow-ups are excellent. This is what I'm told.
Yeah.
So that's something good, to know. They're doing their best. Unfortunately, the best is not meeting with the requirements of the rate at which it's being spread. So that's a sad part. But otherwise, things are. But for these few areas, I mean, things are okay. I think in most of the upscale societies or colonies, things are under control.
Okay. Because of this all protocol they are following.
Yeah, that's right.
Safety protocols.
Safety protocol. They're following them to the T as of now.
What I was reading today on the western side, Borivali, Malad and stuff, they're saying it's all come out of the slums and gone into the bigger societies.
Yeah.
They are now getting more cases from there.
No, because those maids
Bombay
and all,
Central
they go-
Naujivan is sealed. Bombay
Yeah,
Central
because-
Naujivan
yes.
Society is sealed.
Yeah, yesterday they found 30 cases in Naujivan.
Naujivan, yeah.
Because you see, some maids also they come from slums and all. That's why there is a possibility in other good societies to spread.
Yeah.
So far
In
there
fact,
was
in a-
restriction. Now they are allowed to come in.
Yeah, in our society, we have delayed the reintroduction of the maids until
Maids,
August 15th.
and that's what.
that's why you are
mutual,
lucky.
Control once
by
they come
mutual
in.
content of all the societies and the individual tenants, and hopefully that must be one of the reasons why we are safe until now. I
that
should
is
not be
what,
saying
yeah.
that. I should not be saying that. It's a very racist comment, but at some point of time we will have to take a call on that.
Yeah, you'll have to allow. Like we started our society allowed from August.
Okay.
Yeah, so they keep all the checks in the entrance, all the temperature.
All that,
sanitation,
all those
gloves.
things are all in place.
I mean,
at our kind of-
see, this is going to be the future tomorrow. So we have to live with it.
The problem, Jason, is of asymptomatic patients. You can't make out
Yeah.
anything.
Yeah, but can't help.
Yeah, they carry the virus. Yeah.
but
It
the
may not
vaccine
show
is
up
looking-
on thermal scanning and all that, but they can spread it.
But the vaccines are looking positive, so hopefully we should have something in a few months.
Not before December, Jan. So till
Yeah,
then,
correct.
we're stuck.
Correct.
Yeah.
No, it could be earlier because they're already having successful trials. The first trial from Oxford came successful, so I think it could be
But
earlier.
they say some.
So Oxford was
See,
started
success. That success is a very tricky word because success meaning it can be applied. So once now they have to test with 1,000 people, then 2,000 people, and 10,000 people. That's going to take years, months. So
No.
once they all show no symptoms at all, then they will say, okay, we can produce. Once they start producing, then just imagine the population of the world. How many people will need the vaccine? So we may get it only in March or June 2021.
No, Jason, the Serum Institute.
Yeah, I was
they're-
going to say that, Sharad. Yeah.
By September, they're finishing the testing, and by
Yeah.
December, they will have 300 to 400 million doses
Yes, it's
produced.
already.
But that's what
half of it-
other
Half of which will come
Sorry,
to
that-
India.
Production is already on.
See,
Production
that
is
is
already
Adar
on.
Poonawala's statement, right? But I think differently because that's what he's hoping. That's it. We all hoping, right? We all want somebody to get
they
it.
would not put
That's for sure.
They would not put all of that money that they're putting into without having some kind of certainty.
No, he's a philanthropist, no? So they made their money. So now he was on CNN the other day. Adar Poonawala was on CNN and talking about his philanthropy and what they're doing. And his father's made millions, no? So where's the question of it's time to give back now? So
But that vaccine is already made last year. Not made for this particularly. It was already made for something else. And now they have made some changes and
they're trying.
put it. Yeah.
They're trying.
Yeah.
So who's bringing the first beer?
Jason.
Are you bringing the person or should I open the
I
scotch?
already finished. I already
Everybody
finished.
is only warming up.
Oh, he's got to bring it. Hold on. He's coming back.
Tyson is not offering anything. Let us.
You can show us the collection.
Cheers.
There you
Okay,
go.
okay. Budweiser, Budweiser.
Thank God it's not Corona.
yeah. Correct.
Yeah, I know.
I will have
So, all the best, Jason sir.
Good night, everybody. Good night to everybody.
Good night.
Thank you. Good night.
Officer, good night.
Want that also you
Good
have.
night.
Yeah,
Oh,
good
you
night.
have that also.
Yeah.
Good night,
Jason sir has got all the stocks.
Yeah, and that's why he doesn't want a vaccine. He doesn't need a vaccine. You see,
No.
this is the new normal.
No, Corona is an empty can. It's part of my collection.
Yeah.
Budweiser is full.
You'll be killed.
Can you do an Angadiya for this Corona? Can you do the Angadiya for this Corona, please?
What is Angadiya?
What is Angadiya?
Courier. Chalo, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Okay.
Good night.
Bye, everybody.
Good night.
Have a safe day. Have a safe day.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Bye. He's one of.
Yeah. I'll end it in a
Good
minute.
night.
Good night.
Good night. We'll close then.
Yes.
Yes.